In the last video on line plots, we looked at a table from a poll of pets owned in a neighborhood and turned that information into a line plot, and we were able to see which pet was the most frequently owned pet in the neighborhood and which was the least frequently owned pet. Now we are going to look at a little bit more complicated example of a line plot. So, say we have information in this table from a poll where people are asked their favorite type of weather: sunny, rainy, snowy, or cloudy. If we were to create a line plot like we did before, first we would create a line, and then below this line we would write person, and we would draw a mark on the line for each person, all 10 of them. And then we'd write the person's name below, and we would try and make dots to represent the type of weather. However, there's no good way to make dots to represent sunny because sunny isn't a number. So this way of representing this table in a line plot will not work. So let's erase this and try again. So this time, let's still draw a line first. And now instead of writing person below the line, let's write weather. And now let's draw a mark on the line for each of the types of weather. So one mark for sunny weather as the most preferred weather, one mark for rainy as the most preferred type of weather, one mark for snowy as the most preferred type of weather, and then finally one mark for cloudy. Now we will look through the table and see how many people preferred sunny, rainy, snowy, or cloudy weather. Pause the video now and see if you can fill out the rest of this line plot without me. Then continue watching the video and see if you got it right. Okay, let's see if you got it right. So, first we want to see how many people preferred sunny weather. So let's circle the number of people that preferred sunny weather. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people preferred sunny weather, so we put 4 dots above sunny. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's look at rainy. 1, 2, 3 people preferred rainy weather, so we'll put 3 dots under rainy. Now snowy, so we see 2 people preferred snowy weather, so we put 2 dots under snowy. And finally, cloudy. Just one person preferred cloudy weather, so we put 1 dot under cloudy. Now we can use this line plot to see how many people preferred which type of weather much easier than we could just looking at the table. So, first we can look without looking at specific numbers about which was the most preferred looking at the vertical height of each column. So we see that sunny has the highest vertical height, which means that sunny was the most preferred type of weather. And then we see that cloudy has the least highest height, so that is the least preferred type of weather. We can also look at specific numbers. We can look at the number of dots in each column, and we see 1, 2, 3, 4 dots above sunny. So that means that 4 people preferred sunny weather. Then we can look at rainy and see 1, 2, 3 dots. So 3 people preferred rainy weather. Then 2 dots for snowy, so 2 people preferred snowy. And finally just 1 dot for cloudy, so we see that only 1 person preferred cloudy weather. We can do this much easier, once again, in this line plot than we could just looking at this table. So the line plot is a great way to compare the numbers in each category.